Today we're going to start chapter 13, which basically cardiovascular system. First part that we're going to look at is the heart. The last part that we look at is the specific arteries and veins. So the entire cardiovascular system is a closed circuit. That means that everything is enclosed. Blood doesn't pool throughout your body. It stays in the tubes. It's enclosed. And that circuit consists of the heart and then your different vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries. A functional cardiovascular system is obviously vital for supplying oxygen, getting the nutrients that you need to all of the cells and tissues so that they can stay alive, and then also wastes are carried through the bloodstream. So when I look at my cells need nutrients and oxygen. My cells make waste, and my blood is going to transport them throughout my body. Deoxygenated blood, so this is after the oxygen is taken out, is carried by the pulmonary, remember pulmonary typically deals with lungs, by the pulmonary circuit to the lungs, and then the systemic circuit sends oxygenated blood to all over the body. So basically, blood without oxygen, or very little oxygen, goes to my lungs, picks up oxygen, and then it's sent out to the rest of my system, or the rest of my body. So when I look at a diagram of blood vessels, blue means deoxygenated, typically means veins for the most part. Red carries oxygen, typically means arteries for the most part. There are a couple of exceptions. So what happens is I have deoxygenated blood, so I've picked up carbon dioxide and waste from my cells, brings it to my heart. My heart takes this blood to my lungs. These are the only arteries, your pulmonary arteries are blue. The arteries go away from the heart, and here, these are the only arteries that are blue, pulmonary, because they're going to the lungs to pick up oxygen. So then when they come back through my pulmonary veins, these are the only veins that are red. They've picked up oxygen at the lungs, and they are coming back to the heart. So pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins are the only blood vessels that are flip-flopped in color. Once it's picked up oxygen, it enters the left side of the heart, comes up out the aorta, and goes all over the body. And as we go through the chapter, you should be able to label all of the pieces that are on this diagram, all of the structures. So I'll stop there for a moment.